Good morning guys, this is Lee from Source Sounds, just giving you a quick demonstration of the new KENWOOD DNX5190DABS that we fit into this Peugeot Boxer. This unit gives you Garmin navigation, where you get 3 years free map upgrades from their website. You've got CD, DVD playback, FM radio, DAB radio, along with Bluetooth and 2 USB connections. So if you just go into the nav, so you've got the standard Garmin navigation system. You've also got Apple CarPlay connectivity, so this will give you control over Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze if you use it, as well as your phone calls and your music from the phone. So this will use Spotify, Amazon Music, as well as Apple Music. On this particular vehicle, we've also fitted a reverse camera, with it being a motorhome, so you can't easily see what's behind you. So this will give you full control of the images and see what you can see behind. And then you've got your standard DAB radio display for all the different radio stations that you might want to listen to. You've got quite a few on DABs, all the BBC ones, as well as the local stuff. Thank you for watching.